Hey there, fellow content creators. Today, we're going to talk about a game changer for our YouTube channels, TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is the ultimate growth tool for YouTube channels, and it's designed to help you create, manage, and grow your channel with confidence. First and foremost, TubeBuddy is a must-have for anyone serious about their YouTube channel. It's a suite of tools built specifically for creators like you, and it's packed with features that will help you dominate YouTube. One of my favorite TubeBuddy features is SEO Studio. With this tool, you can optimize your videos and get them to the top of every relevant search. This means more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more success for your channel. Another great feature is the ability to quickly identify trends and hot topics to incorporate into your videos. This helps you stay relevant and attract more clicks. Overall, TubeBuddy is a game changer for any content creator looking to take their YouTube channel to the next level. It's a must-have tool that will help you grow your channel confidently and efficiently. This amazing tool is designed to help you boost your click-through rates and better understand the YouTube algorithm. Did you know that the average click-through rate on YouTube is only around 2%? That's where TubeBuddy comes in. With its thumbnail analyzer tool, you can easily identify which thumbnails are performing well and which ones need some improvement. This way, you can make data-driven decisions to increase your click-through rates and reach a wider audience. But that's not all. TubeBuddy also offers a range of other features to help you grow your channel, such as video scheduling, bulk processing, and more. Plus, it's completely free to use. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link below and start using TubeBuddy today. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Until next time, happy creating,